How to fix pending transaction on Wise. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix pending transaction on Wise. Well, as you can read here, I'm on the official help page of Wise. When you make a payment using your Wise card, the transaction might appear as pending at first. This is because transferring money from your account to the merchant goes through several steps and isn't always instant. Now, what's a pending transaction? I don't need to go through it, as you might already know it. Now, what are the steps and what is the error, right? Now, what's a payment was completed but still shows as pending, right? Sometimes it takes longer for the merchant to claim the money from your account. There is nothing you need to do right now. Once the merchant claims the fund, the transaction will be completed. If the merchant doesn't claim the fund, the money will be released back into your account within 7 days or within 30 days for pre-authorizations. Similarly, if the payment was cancelled but still shows as pending. Sometimes we can't tell if a payment was cancelled. This might happen because of problems with the payment terminal or an internet connection. If this happens, the payment will stay as pending in your account. Now, it usually takes up to 7 days for the merchant to claim the money from your account, but for pre-authorization, it could take up to 30 days. This might happen if your payment was for a booking deposit, car rental services, or hotel reservation. Can you stop a pending transaction? If a transaction is pending, neither you nor Wise can stop the claiming of the money. If you want to cancel the transaction, you will need to contact the merchant directly. If they won't let you cancel the transaction or you think their behavior could be fraudulent, you can submit a dispute to Wise directly. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.